Sukhino Bhavantu. Be blessed by the divine. Today I am going to explain something about Brahmagnana meditation. Brahmagnana meditation is part of the Brahmagnanam. First you have to think about absolute space. Absolute place is God, Brahman, which is having self-surrounding compressive force. Due to this pressure of this force, the absolute space, Brahman, transformed into very, very small, minute, infinitesimal energy particles. They are called dust particles or ether. These energy particles associate themselves by the surrounding pressure of absolute space into masses or groups. These groups are called atoms. Atoms are also undergo pressure by the absolute space and transformed into Panchabhutas. Panchabhutas are Akash, air, fire, water and land. From these Panchabhutas only, all the visibles in the universe transformed. In Akash, all the stars and galaxies are transformed. On the earth, from the Panchabhutas, the living and non-living forms transformed. This transformation is from the beginning up to the living and non-living, or from absolute space only. In the living being's transformation, man is the last one with sixth sense. In the transformation of the non-living, seas, rivers and mountains, etc. are present. All the living and non-living are association of the divine energy particles only. In the evolutionary process of the living being transformation from Panchabhutas is 1 sense plants, next 2 sense worms, next 3 sense insects, 4 sense reptiles, 5 sense animals. Lastly, man evolved with all 5 sense, including 6th sense, that is consciousness. He is the first man in the evolutionary process. Man is made with Panchabhutas. Panchabhutas are the association of atoms. Atoms are the association of energy particles. Energy particles are the first transformation of the God or Brahman, absolute space. From the first man, all the human beings in the entire globe formed. Not formed, in the way they are generated from first man to second man, second to third, third to fourth, like that, taking millions and millions of years. All the human beings in the earth are transformed. Transformation is always from the absolute space. So now we can understand I and you or we are the transformation of the God absolute space. we can think in our body and mind. We are having millions and millions of life energy particles. The energy particles which are in the living beings are called life energy particles. These particles are moving in our body and soul as life. We are having life, so we are having the life energy particles which are the part and part of the divine force, absolute space. Absolute space itself transformed into energy particles, atoms, Panchabhutas, non-living, living beings, lastly, human beings, we and I. Finally, we can understand we are the part and part of divine life force. We are ourself life force. Life force is from the divine force, divinity, God, Brahman. In this way, we have to understand ourselves. We are from Brahman. Now, if we put a question, who am I or who are we? The answer is, we are Brahman. We are divinity. And I am Brahman, I am divinity, I am God, I am the life force particles, I am the gravity. Gravity is the another name, scientific name to the absolute space. By developing this consciousness in our mind, we can understand we are from divinity, we are from divine. By seeing this divinity and a divine force in the form of energy particles in every human being, in all living beings, the transformation of the divinity in the form of energy particles. Not only in all living beings, in all the non-living, mountains, rivers, seas, in the form of water, they are all the association of the energy particles. So, we can see and we can think the God in the form of energy particles in everywhere and in everything in the universe. By seeing and understanding all this process, we have to force ourselves love everybody and see God in everyone in the form of energy particles and a divine force in everyone. So, within ourselves, love and compassion develop. This love and compassion are the God's gift to all of us. By developing love and compassion towards everybody and everything in the entire universe, then we have clear path to get realization by ourselves. And slowly we can realize God, the absolute space. That is Brahma Jnana. This realization is the goal of every human being. By doing meditations and introspection, we can understand this divinity in everybody, everywhere in the universe. Slowly, we can reach God, the absolute space, and be one with God. That is the real goal of every human being. We are all the children of absolute space. We are not different from one another. Whatever state, whatever country we belong, whatever religion, whatever caste, whatever place we belong, we are all the children of first man in the evolution. So we are all sister and brothers. We are not different from one and the other one. This is the essence of Brahmagnanam. This is the realization. Finally, we can get the correct answer. Who am I? That is Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi is the golden word from our ancient Vedas. Aham Brahmasmi means I am God, is the final goal of every human being. This Brahmagnana meditation and Brahmagnanam are the part of Vethathri by our divine Guru Tattvagnani Vedadi Maharushi. Be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine.